This is login screen. Here we select server. After selecting server, save it. Here it is a add payment method button. Here it is a support button. Here write down the email as I am writing abc@gmail.com and then write down your password here. Then login. After login, firstly the list screen appears. Here we have a toolbar. And this is the app bar. Here is a search option to find your vehicle in a numbers of vehicles at once without scrolling all the way down. For example, I am going to search vehicle named AD05. So here, after typing the name of a vehicle, it shows here. In tab bar, there are filters. If you click on all button, then all the vehicles show in a column. If you click on running button, it will show only moving vehicles. Stopped vehicles show up when you click on stopped button. When you click on idle, the RPMs vehicles show up. When you click on offline and expired button, the consecutive vehicles will show up. So as we talk about our list screen, we have multiple designs available, and each design have many new and advanced features and functionalities. As we talked about the current list screen, there is the vehicle name at the top. So next in the column there is a moving and stop time duration. And after that there are addresses of all vehicles, and that address is coming from the back end. And on the left side, vehicle icon show up. It may be a car, motorbike, anything else. On the right side, after divider on the top, firstly there is expiration date mentioned. If there is no any, then it will show null. After that, moving down, there is speed in kilometers per hour. And then there are 4 buttons in a row. First, live track button. If you click on that button, live tracking screen appears where vehicle is live, showing on the map, where you can see the vehicle changing its position time to time, with a number of other features showing a lots of details, like if you look down the screen there are its sensors and then address, and there is also a chat option available, which is a wonderful tool to use. And then there are some readings available like combustible, kilometer recorridos, vel max, and then at the top of the screen there is orange menu which shows its name and time and date dot, and then down there is its moving time. Then click on playback button, it will gives us playback history. There is a map and bottom pop-up. At the top of pop-up there is vehicle name. The filter comes which helps you to find last hour, today, yesterday, before 2 days, last 7 days history. And you can also select custom date and time to check the playback history. Here you can see the arrow is moving according to the past movement of vehicle. Then there is dashboard. Then we click on the menu button. Here a pop-up show up. It leads us to further 6 screens: live map screen, kilometer detail, playback, reports, lock screen, car info screen. In kilometer detail screen we have 3 days old kilometer detail history. I have explained how to generate playback history. Likewise, we can generate reports. Via lock screen we are able to lock and unlock the car by sending commands. In car info screen we have all the information like route, start and ending date and time details, route total length, top speed, move time and stop time, and total distance. All the information is available here. So let's move to map screen. Here on the top right side there are a number of options available which you can use accordingly. Besides, there is detail showing about moving, idle, stopped and inactive vehicles. Here on map you can see by zooming a number of vehicles are present. Some are stopped, some are moving and some are idle. And by pressing this button you can access device location. By pressing this button you can see devices on satellite view. And by pressing this button you got signal information. Here you can search a particular vehicle. Likewise, In list view, when you click on the arrow of vehicle, a pop-up appears which tell us the name, address, speed, moving and stopped time duration, and let us know whether the car is live or offline. And by pressing this button you can zoom in the map and see the vehicle closely. Let's move to events screen where you are able to see the notifications here which are coming with the help of third-party APIs. Let's move to next reports screen. Here we can create report of general information, routes and stops, speeding, temperature, events, daily work hours, travel. Sheet report. Here we can register a new device. Here we write down the name of vehicle, then IMEI number, then SIM number, then select its category, then let's remain the protocol default, and lastly give its odometer and register your device. Then we can create new alerts and add them by writing down the name of vehicle and its type and overspeed value, and then click on the blue button Add Alerts. You can specify the geofence by adding new geofence. Let's move to next settings screen. Here on the top the email is mentioned and then payment methods are given as you can see on the screen. Pay for 1 month, pay for 2 months, pay for licenses pack. Then there is a support button. When we click on this button a new screen appears where email, hotline, messenger and WhatsApp chat options are available. In About Us button there is you can add your company details. In Terms and Conditions screen you can add your company policies, and in Privacy you can add your company privacy policy. Link or document. Here you can change the password by adding new password, then retype the password in the field, then press the button OK and your password will change. You can also change password via web server. You can turn on and off the notification with the help of this blue switch button. And from here you can sign out and test your password.